Well, howdy folks, how you going? Rob here. Welcome to the channel if you're new. Welcome back if you're a regular. Today we are at Damn Crazy. Damn Crazy, about 20 k's inland from Childers. You can find this place by giving it a quick Google, and absolutely phenomenal place. There'll be a clip coming on this joint very, very shortly. So keep your eyes open for that. Make sure you like and subscribe and all that sort of stuff, and you'll see that video drop. Now, most of you will know, if you've been a regular watcher, that we've got a new logo for the channel at last. Now, Ben Price took it out. We had a bit of a competition online, and Ben took the competition out. Well done, Ben. Congratulations. This is the end product of the logo. So this will start appearing on t-shirts and things like that very shortly, stubby coolers and all the rest of it, hats even, all that kind of thing. So make sure you get your orders in for that. But for today, we're going to talk about chopping boards. Now, Ben's also picked up a chopping board. This is actually Ben's one here. So Ben, keep your eye out in the mail, mate. This one's coming your way. And I wanted to have a bit of a quick chat about these chopping boards. So they're made by an absolute dead set legend who's part of the Mr. Buckaroony community. That's how I met him. And if you don't know who Buck is, give Mr. Buckaroony a look up on YouTube. He's an absolute legend. And anyway, I wanted to give him a bit of a shout out and a bit of a plug. And guys, you can get your own chopping board as well. So I'm going to introduce the man right now. Terry, come on in, mate.
Sure.
Terry Greentree. I'm going to crack a bit of a beer here.
Yeah.
How are you, mate?
Good, mate. Yourself?
Yeah, great, mate. Great.
Good to see you again, mate.
Yeah.
Cheers, mate.
Cheers, mate.
Yeah.
Happy New Year.
Yeah, you too. Yeah. G'day, viewers. How you going?
Yeah.
And congratulations, Ben, on your new chopping board, mate.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
Just on Ben as well. Ben is a tattooist, as you can sort of tell by the design of the logo.
Yeah.
And Ben Price is his name, Ben Price Tattoo. Give him a quick Google. This is his t-shirt. Give us a spin there, Terry.
Yeah. Fantastic shirt it is, Ben. Yeah.
So he threw us a couple of these t-shirts. So I thought, yep, got to give this bloke a bit of a plug. He's come up with an absolutely fantastic logo, I think.
He has,
It's just
absolutely magnificent,
phenomenal.
mate.
Yeah, 100%. But again, we're here to talk about the chopping boards today,
That's it, mate.
These are your invention. These are your creation.
That's correct.
Tell us a little bit about them.
Okay, so first up, we just laminate all our timber together and stuff like that. Make sure it's all nice and correct straight grain right through our whole boards. And then I put a juice groove all the way around the perimeter of the board, so that way it holds all your juices from your meats and stuff like that. And it doesn't go all over your kitchen benches like most common chopping boards out there that you pay over $100 for.
That's very true. Very true. So what's the wood, mate? What kind of wood are we?
So it's just a laminated hardwood. Yeah, what we do is we just engrave your logo straight onto the timber by using a laser engraver, and we put it straight into the computer and let the laser do its job.
They're absolutely phenomenal, mate, and you can feel the engraving on the board itself.
That's correct, yeah. They're a nice deep engraving, not like a lot where it's only very shallow.
On the back, we've got some legs, some feet.
Yeah, so some rubber anti-slip feet on there, and then you'll see my logo on the back, which is the windmill, handcrafted by Terry G.
Very, very cool, mate. Yeah, that's a nice little touch as well.
Yes.
Now, guys, you don't have to just buy a Wanderer one. If you're watching this and you're thinking, oh, I run a business or a company or something like that, and you've got your own logo, send them through and we can get them engraved on the chopping boards as well.
That's most correct, mate. Yeah, so if you can't get in contact with me, feel free, give Rob a contact.
Yep.
If you are overseas, there will be a little bit of a cost with your overseas shipping. But each board is $60 a board, and $25 for your postal and handling.
And I think that's an absolute bargain, folks. I think that is so good. The quality of the engraving is just next level, mate. It has blown me away. And we can see here, we've got some other YouTube channels as well that already got theirs done. Saw Adventures, which is Steve, Annie and Winnie. They're actually coming to Damn Crazy here very, very shortly. They're coming here today. That's their board as well.
Yes.
So any logos, any design?
Yeah, any design, or even if you've got recipes and stuff like that your grandmother or mother it's actually had, and you want to put that on a nice decorative piece,
100%.
We could actually do that for you as well. The boards too also come with a maintenance kit. So that keeps your board looking nice and fresh. So it comes with a little container of butter board, and if it dries out, just give that a quick rub into the board, and it just refreshes that board straight up again for you.
Mate, these are absolutely phenomenal. How thick is this?
That's roughly about 33 mil thick.
Yeah, wow.
Yeah. So your board size is 405 by 300 mil by 33.
405 by 303?
Yep.
Yeah, nice. Nice. That is awesome.
Yeah. So they're a nice, good, solid chopping board, they are.
I'm blown away. Absolutely blown away. So glad I've finally got my own now as well.
Yes.
And Ben, you've got one coming your way.
Yes.
Guys, get your orders in. You can get a Wanderer one if you like. They're selling like hotcakes, aren't they?
They are, mate. Yep.
Everyone wants a Wanderer one.
Everyone wants one. Yep.
But like I said, folks, get your designs in as well, and we can look at putting something together.
That's
for you as
right.
well.
Yeah.
Terry, thanks, mate.
You're more than welcome, Rob.
Absolute pleasure.
Yeah, anytime, mate.
Folks, keep an eye out for the clip on the Damn Crazy Camping here, just outside of Childers. Fantastic spot, like I said before. And until next time, be good to each other, and we'll see you on the next one.
Sounds
Cheers.
great. Cheers.